First up, let's start with dismantling the shoebox waste. Next step, we cut strips out of the shoebox. The strips are in a rectangle shape, 3 cm wide, and the length is around 10 to 15 cm depending on how big the shoebox is. Okay, now we draw the outline of the batik pattern that we want to make. For this particular video, I'm going to make an outline of the alphabet A. Next up, we glue the strips perpendicular to the outline of our pattern. Small tips: when you put the glue on, wait for at least 2 seconds before you press the strips onto the base. And then you hold and press it for at least 5 seconds before you let go. When you finish, at the back of the base, put a handle made out of the strips. I recommend using 3 cm wide and 15 cm in length strip for the handle. There you have it, your own batik stamp made out of the shoebox waste. Now, let's try to stamp it onto the scrap fabric. Thank you for watching.